Okay, we're going to talk about corners. Installing your corners is super important. Always install your corners first and make sure you mix them up just like you do with encladding the flat pieces on your wall as well. Always start with the corners and then run your flats off that. Again, we want to mix up the sizes and colours. Make sure that we're not doing too many of one thing on top of each other. And just, we want it so that you'll always have a jagged edge on here. You never want to have two pieces the same on top because it's just going to be ugly and not really work for your job. We have some large pieces that can go on there, and then you can mix with the small pieces and so on. One more side note, is never go up too far when installing. Maximum 800 to a metre. Don't go any higher than that before starting your flats, because it's the weight of them can compromise it. And there you have it.